Is your favorite enchanted gear about to break, threatening to erase those precious enchantments forever? Fear not, fellow crafters, today we're diving deep into the essential skill of repairing your enchanted items in Minecraft. Ensuring your hard-earned enchantments don't go to waste. We'll cover the two primary methods using the Anvil, with complementary items, and the magic of the Mending Enchantment. First up, the Anvil. This is your go-to for combining items to repair them. To begin, place your damaged enchanted item, let's say this shovel, into the first slot of the Anvil interface. Now, for the crucial part, the second slot here, you'll place an identical, but undamaged item. So, for our shovel, we'll need another, pristine shovel. Observe as the Anvil shows you the repaired item, along with the experience cost. When you pull that repaired shovel into your inventory, you'll see its durability fully restored, and crucially, all those hard-earned enchantments remain intact. This method works for all your enchanted tools, weapons, and armor. Just remember, the experience required will increase with each subsequent repair. So, if you have a powerful diamond sword with sharpness V and unbreaking 3, you'll need another diamond sword to bring it back to full strength. However, there's an even more sustainable way to keep your gear in top condition: the Mending Enchantment. Mending is a truly game-changing enchantment that makes items repair themselves by consuming experience orbs. To apply it, you'll still need your trusty Anvil and an enchanted book with mending. Place your worn-out enchanted item in the first slot, and the mending book in the second. Again, the Anvil displays the result. Your item now has the Mending Enchantment applied, and the experience cost will reflect this. From this point onwards, whenever you collect experience orbs while holding or wearing this item, it will automatically repair itself. This means your best gear can essentially last forever, as long as you're actively playing and earning experience. So, whether you're combining identical items or harnessing the power of mending, you can now confidently maintain your most powerful enchanted equipment, ensuring those invaluable enchantments continue to serve you on all your Minecraft adventures.